How about a Cool Whip alternative, stabilized whipped cream?
Okay, I grew up in the days when you used real whipping cream. But whipping cream didn't last very long. It separated. And then they came out with Cool Whip. And I loved Cool Whip. I loved all the Cool Whip recipes. But as I've become more aware of what's in my food, and I look at the ingredients in here, you've got high fructose corn syrup, hydrogenated oil, a lot of these things we're trying to avoid. So online I've been seeing these recipes for stabilized whipped cream. And basically it's whipped cream with cream cheese. So we're going to try this out and then see how it works on some of my recipes. Okay, we're going to start out with 4 ounces of cream cheese. That's half of this package. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar that is sifted. Now it's real important you sift your powdered sugar. And then we're going to beat this till it's nice and rich and creamy. Okay, my next step is to actually beat my whipping cream. Now I put my beaters and my bowl in the freezer for about 15 minutes. In fact, I even put my whipping cream in there just to make sure it was good and cold. Now I'm going to beat this on medium for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll gradually go up to high until stiff peaks form. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cream cheese mixer into my whipped cream and mix this for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what that tastes like. That is so good.
Now this makes about 3 cups, which is just a little less than what is in an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Now it also weighs a little more, 12.35 ounces compared to 8 ounces. Cream cheese, after all, is heavier than cream or Cool Whip. Now take that into consideration if you are weighing your Cool Whip alternative. Now half of this recipe is about half of an 8-ounce tub. Good thing you do not have to be exact on Cool Whip recipes. Now this works really good in your pistachio pudding salad, sometimes called a Watergate salad, pineapple delight. It goes by many different names. Now it all starts with 1 package of pistachio instant pudding, 8 ounces of crushed pineapple with the juice, 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, a half a cup of chopped nuts, or in my case I use the coconut, 6 ounces of your stabilized whipped cream, or half of the recipe, or 4 ounces of Cool Whip, or which would be half of an 8-ounce tub.
Okay, now one of the most popular salads back, in the 70s, 80s was what they called. They came out with some pistachio instant pudding. And sometimes it was called Waldorf salad or pineapple delight. It had different names. But we're going to start out with some pistachio instant pudding. I'm going to mix it with 8 ounces of crushed pineapple with the juice. Do that. Now you could use either chopped nuts. This pistachio instant pudding has almonds in it. Could you certainly use chopped almonds, chopped walnuts, but I'm going to use coconut. To that, of course, your kids' favorite is miniature marshmallows. The original recipe, you would have used 4 ounces of Cool Whip, but I'm using this stabilized whipping cream that we had made previously. We're going to spread this out in our container, put it in the refrigerator, and let it set up for at least an hour, maybe a couple hours, or this could easily be done the night before. Okay, we've got it all spread out, ready to go in the refrigerator, and we'll come back in a couple hours and see how yummy this is.
Now you're going to have some whipped cream left over, so you can either spread it all over the whole thing or just top it little dollops. Maybe put a little cherry on top. Now I'm thinking about telling the grandkids that this is slime salad. What do you think? I'm Carolyn Gibson at Homemade Cooking in Texas. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to make, easy to please recipes.